Hi, I'll be doing a detailed review of a credit card that's gaining popularity, especially among students, freelancers, and first time borrowers in India, the SBM ZET Credit Card. If you're someone looking to get into the credit game without the risk of rejection, or you simply want to earn and spend wisely, then stick around. I'll be covering the overview, the key features of this card, the pricing structure, the pros and cons, who is best for, and some alternatives in case this isn't the perfect fit. So let's dive right in. The SBM ZET Credit Card is a secured credit card launched by SBM Bank India in partnership with the ZET app. Now, what does secured mean? It means that instead of getting approved based on your income or credit history, you open a fixed deposit with SBM Bank. And based on that deposit, they give you a credit card with a limit that's usually up to 90% of your fixed deposit amount. The idea is to provide access to credit to a wider audience. So whether you're a student, a homemaker, a gig worker, or someone who's had a bumpy financial past. But here's the brilliant part. While you use the card, your fixed deposit is still earning up to 7% annual interest, which is higher than what most savings accounts offer. So you're earning while you're spending. This card is powered by RuPay, which means it's fully UPI enabled. Yes, you can link it to Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm, and other apps, making it feel like a debit card but with all the credit perks. You also get a virtual card instantly, which you can activate and start using through the ZET app. This digital-first approach makes onboarding extremely quick and ideal for Gen Z and millennials who prefer managing everything on their phones. Lastly, and this is a big one, your credit behavior is reported to credit bureaus. So as you pay your dues on time, you get to build your credit profile. And users have reported seeing a credit score bump in as little as a month. Overall, the SBM ZET card is built for beginners. It's safe, it's rewarding, and it's incredibly easy to use. So let's talk about the main features of this card. Zero joining and annual fees. You pay absolutely nothing to get this card. There are no hidden membership or renewal charges. Fixed deposit backed credit limits. The credit limit is 90% of your fixed deposit. So for a fixed deposit of 5,000 rupees, you get 4,500. Minimum fixed deposit required is 5,000 rupees, which is one of the lowest in the market. You earn interest on your fixed deposit. Your fixed deposit remains untouched and you continue to earn up to 7% interest per annum. And it's also auto-renewed, so your money keeps compounding unless you withdraw. There's a 45-day interest-free credit period, which means you get zero interest for 45 days on UPI payments. You also get an instant virtual card. You don't have to wait for a physical card to arrive. Cash withdrawal option. Do you need emergency funds? You can withdraw up to 50% of your credit limit in cash. But of course, do note that interest charges apply from day one. No income proof. You can easily apply for this card with no credit history required. And you also enjoy spend-based offers. Discounts of up to 20% on popular platforms like Swiggy, Zomato, and Book My Show. Now let us talk about the pricing of this card. As earlier mentioned, there is no joining fee and there is no renewal fee. But of course, a forex markup fee applies on international transactions. There's a late payment fee and a cash advance fee. Also, if your card is lost, you need to pay about 249 rupees to replace it. Now, what are the pros and cons of using this card? First, the pros. Guaranteed approval with fixed deposits. You don't need any income proof or credit history. It is lifetime free with no hidden charges. Your fixed deposit continues to earn interest. Easy UPI integration with a virtual card, and it builds your credit score quickly and reliably. What about the cons? There are high interest incurred if dues are unpaid, and your fixed deposit is locked for about 390 days. If you want to withdraw earlier than that, it can attract penalties. Now, to sum it up, if you're new to credit and you don't want to risk rejection, the SBM ZET Credit Card is a fantastic tool. It's especially useful in 2025 when more and more users are turning to credit-backed platforms for flexibility and online transactions. That said, it's not a premium credit card. It's not built for heavy rewards, international travel, or business expenses. Think of it as your financial foundation. Use it well and it opens doors to better credit products in the future. Just be cautious of the interest rates and the fees. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore SBM Magnet Credit Card, SBM Credilio Credit Card, and One Card FD backed. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.